Topic application for SLC. SLC is short form of School Leaving Certificate. Class 9 subject English. This is your application that shows that how you will write your application on your neat copy. So first of all, we have to be very careful about the writing pattern of application and the punctuation of application. So application for school leaving certificate, short form is SLC, which is written in a capital letters. You have to leave one line after your heading. Then along with your margin line, you have to, very close to your margin line, you have to write down the principal. T capital, principal, P capital, along with comma. Then you have to write ABC along with comma. Why you write ABC? ABC is written instead of your school name. You do not have to reveal your school name in your board exam, so you write ABC instead of writing your school name. So it is the pattern of your application. You must have to write ABC with capital letters, and you have to write it just near to each other, and it is followed by comma. Then you write Peshawar, P capital, and here we put full stop. So we put punctuation, comma, comma and full stop. Then you have to leave one line gap. Then you have to write subject with colon, sign and application for school leaving certificate. This is the subject of your application. Then you have to leave one line and you have to write respected madam just along with your margin line. Respected, R capital, madam, M capital along with comma. This is another punctuation. With W capital, you have to write with due respect just along with your margin line. With due respect, it is stated that my father is a government officer, full stop. He has been transferred to Karachi, full stop. All my family members are moving with him, full stop. I cannot stay here alone, full stop. I need school leaving certificate to get admission at some school in Karachi, full stop. Next line, so, comma, it is just started with your margin line. Comma, it is requested to you to issue me school leaving certificate. Next line, I shall be very thankful to you, full stop. One line gap and you have to write yours obediently. XYZ will be written just with your margin line and it will be written in capital words. X capital, Y capital, Z capital. We used to write XYZ instead of your name, the name of the student. We do not have to reveal the name of the student. So that is why we write down XYZ instead of writing the name of the student. And then dated with colon 10th T, then TH, July. J capital, JULY, comma 2020, full stop. So this was the writing pattern of your application. You have to be very specific and very particular about writing an application with proper pattern and with proper punctuation. Now coming to the difficult words. Respected madam, काबिल एहतराम मैडम, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, बहुत एहतराम के साथ, इट इज स्टेटेड, ये कहा जा रहा है दैट माई फादर इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर. गवर्नमेंट, GOVERNMENT, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर, सरकारी मुलाजिम है. ही हैज़ बीन ट्रांसफर्ड, उनका तबादला हो चुका है, टू कराची. कराची, यू हैव टू राइट कराची, K capital, because it is proper noun. You have to write K capital. All my family members are moving with him. मेरे घर के तमाम अरकान उनके साथ जा रहे हैं. I cannot stay here alone. I cannot stay, मैं यहाँ क़याम नहीं कर सकती. Here, यहाँ पर alone, मैं यहाँ अकेले क़याम नहीं कर सकती. I need school leaving certificate, मुझे स्कूल छोड़ने का सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए. टू गेट एडमिशन एट सम स्कूल इन कराची, ताकि मैं कराची के किसी स्कूल में दाखिला ले सकूं. सो इट इज़ रिक्वेस्टेड, आपसे इल्तिजा की जा रही है, टू यू टू इशू मी, मुझे इशू मी स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट, मुझे स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाए। आई शैल बी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू, मैं इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार होंगी। योर्स ओबीडियंटली, आपकी ताबेदार XYZ या आपका ताबेदार XYZ डेटेड। सो एप्लीकेशन फॉर स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट, स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट, वाई डू यू नीड स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट? स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट इज़ वेरी important when you have completed your academic year at some school and you want to leave that school for some reasons, so then when you want to leave that school, you need school living certificate. It is the authority letter from your school which shows that you are how much you are qualified. So school living certificate is very important for getting admission at some other school. So that is why school living certificate is needed. So school living certificate, स्कूल छोड़ने के लिए सर्टिफिकेट हासिल किया जाता है. So it was all about school living certificate application. I hope you will understand the writing pattern of your application. Now coming to activity, write down application in English copy. Thank you students.